So at the very first year of going through a divorce, there are so many changes that it feels like you're going crazy. There's just too much to keep track of. And so oftentimes people can't make a commitment even to their gym membership or to seeing a friend like they usually did every Friday night because things are too up and down, especially your emotions. What I offer is a group called First Year of Your Divorce, getting through that first year, being with other people, seeing how they're surviving and getting past to the point of grief. But grief is going to come up pretty constantly. And what I like to teach people is this trick of, could you, for 1 hour a day, set it aside and notice and take reflection of where you've been and how far you've come. And it could be just from yesterday to today. And actually, today might have been better than yesterday, but take a reflection because you're going to survive this. And sometimes I just hold that place for people, letting them know you're going to survive this. You're going to figure this out. You're going to make a plan about your future. But right now, it's going to be wavy, up and down, in and out. So find a support group and a group of people that you can rely on. I know that a lot of people just surround themselves with a support team, like a dating group, a divorce group, a therapist, places that they can actually join in activities where maybe nobody knows them and no one's going to ask them a question. And also to really investigate your own personal process and what's going to calm you down.